Rush into it when we get to it. We keep giving it all that we got. Too lit for this shit right now. Too busy for this shit right now.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing like a unboxing of what I got from Amazon. I have been talking about starting makeup for so long. Starting makeup and like doing things for myself. And so I ended up just ordering my starting makeup stuff. I ended up watching TikToks and YouTube videos, and I just found some products that I think will help with the kind of makeup look I want to do, which is like the more natural everyday look. And then I also have been wanting to do my own lashes because I've been seeing like girlies do the lash clusters on TikTok, and it looks exactly like lash individuals. So I'm like, if they can do it, why can't I? So I'm just going to be showing you guys what I got. Let's just start off with just to see what I got just to start this makeup journey, because I continue to keep bringing up how I'm going to start doing my makeup and buy these products, but now it's the time. And I ended up just getting starter products, like not expensive products, because I didn't want to go overboard. So yeah, I will be unboxing. And with Amazon, why? I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by why. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 packages for like 10 items. They put like, with these little ones, they put 1 item in each one. Come on now. Come on, you could have saved some packaging. But anyway, I actually already opened this because I am doing my workout journey, whatever, and I got these things where you put them on your ankles so it can attach to the weight, so I can do like kickbacks and things like that. But I have not looked at what I got though, so I don't even know what's in this package. Let's see. Oh, so I did end up getting Remmel's blush, and I will show you exactly what kind it is. And I also will link all these things down in my description. So I started off with getting their Maxi blush. And like I said, I'm just opening these packages by what I'm grabbing because I have no idea what's in here. So I got their Maxi blush. Let's see what it's looking like. Let's see. Let's swatch it. Okay. Okay, little pigments. Okay. Let's see. Let's tap it on my arm. Oh, you can kind of see. Let me put it on my cheek a little bit. Oh, yeah. She's pink. She's pink. She's cute. Let me go a little bit. She's pink and she's cute. She's pink and she's cute. See, that even already added a little extra something. But let me stop because I'm not supposed to be doing makeup. But that's one thing that I got. And that's kind of cute. And I got this in the shade Wild Card, and it's 003. I probably look like a clown right now. So let's see what's next. So I got the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I saw girlies using it underneath their eye. Let's see. I don't want to open this and get it all on my bed because I'm good for something like that. But, oh, I see. You know, packaging always gets me. I'm gonna put it on the bag. I feel like I will be doing a makeup video of me using these products, and maybe you can learn along as I'm learning makeup. But it's this little Fit Me Loose powder, and it's just a shade Deep, and the number is 35. I don't want to get this all over my bed. Oh, it's a twist. That's smart. That's really smart to get a twist in one so you don't have to like fling it open. Oh yeah, and it came clean. I'm excited to use that. I can't really test that one out for you guys. Let's see what's next. Okay. And I have been seeing the girlies every single time I'm like watching a makeup tutorial on like TikTok or YouTube. They are always using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer or the Milk primer. So the glove right here, I'm just going to be unboxing all the way. Unboxing all the way. And I'm sorry, but this is just this is so cute to me. I'm weird. I find like items cute, and I feel like this colorway and everything is super cute. And I like how it's a pump. But yeah, so this is a primer. So I got a primer, and I did just take out something else out of the package, but I want to show the main thing that goes with it before I show that. So that's all of this packaging. Next. Okay, now let's see what these are. This is what I wanted. I got the iconic D.I.Y lashes, and they're by crislashes. And the bundle starts from, you can't see it, 8 to 18. So your girl about to be having them wing lashes. I'm about to be cute. I really am excited about using this. Like, because also when it comes to, like, on all honesty, like, when it comes to hair, I used to could not do my hair. Like, I used to not could even be able to put this in my hair in a bun because I just did not know how to do it. I did not know how time consuming it was. And you have to be very precise when you do your hair. Like, you have to take your time with it. And so I used to not believe that I could do my hair, but look at me now. That's why I'm like, let me start other things, because if I could do my hair, I can dang do anything, because I could not do my hair years ago. So I'm like, why not, instead of paying $100+ for a set and you got to sit down for 2 hours to get every single lash on there, why not do the clusters and take like maybe, it might take me like 20 minutes to do it or something. We'll see how it goes. But also what I got in my other package was the bond and seal for those lashes. And I also saw girlies using regular lash glue on top of it. And I don't know, I'm going to start off with just using this and see how long it lasts. And so on one side, here, I'll open it so you can see it. Ooh, this is cute. So on one side is the bond. So you're going to put that on your lashes first and then apply your lashes. And on the other side is the seal, where you put it on after you put your lashes on. I kind of just nosy. I kind of just want to see what it looks like. Oh, so it's kind of like, it looks like a smaller mascara tube. Okay. Let's see if it's just the same look on the other side. Oh, it's a straight one. It's a little straight one. But yeah, so I'm really excited to be doing these. And I probably also, when I do my makeup video, I will also be doing like my lashes with it. So that's another thing that I got to get myself right. On to the next. Yes. And I got my Real Techniques brushes. Like, I was seeing the girlies rave about this on TikTok also. And when I'm looking at like makeup people, not makeup people, but like artists do it on YouTube and Facebook, not Facebook, YouTube and TikTok, I always see this foundation brush. Like, people rave about this foundation brush. And shoot, I'm about to unbox it. We're about to see how it's feeling. And I just feel so like grown, and I was just proud of like investing in stuff like this. Ooh, these are nice. These are so stinking cute, and they feel, oh yeah. And this is the Real Technique brush, and it's number 200. And they say this is the brush that you use for like, you know, your foundation. But let me make sure, but that's what I recall. Yep, for foundation, buff liquid, to have a flawless finish. That's what the box says. And then this one, the bigger brush, which is the 400. Oh, this feels good. This is more for like your blushes and things like that. Yeah. This says for your tapered, soft, and fluffy bristles to blend powder blush evenly for a smooth and natural finish. So we're going to see how that works. And then we go down to the smaller brushes, which is, this is the Real Techniques 402 brush. And it says, this is for like setting. It says soft, fluffy bristles, dust off highlighting or setting powder or natural looking, like to get the brightness of your face. And I'm not sure if I'll be using, I'll probably use this. Well, let me see, like to like set my eyes, like with this powder. Like use these brushes together, I think. And then the smallest brush that's in here, and that is the 300 Real Technique. And this is for like creases. Like I think I would be using this for like more the concealer like that. But I don't know. We'll see how this works. But, and they also come with 2 little beauty blenders. But I think I'm going to invest and go into Ulta and actually get a real beauty blender to see the difference. But I'm just going to put these back in the packaging. So cute. And I'll probably be getting like a little cute makeup bag because I already have some makeup. And I'll show you guys like what I already have. And then when I'm doing my makeup video, when I do my actual makeup. But I'll show you guys what I have already. But it's not much. It's just I have like the Fenty foundation, which I don't use. And these other foundations. And I have like the LA Girl, the LA Color concealers, I believe. I feel like everyone knows them. They're the concealers that you can get at like the hair stores. And I have one of those. So it's not much. Next. This feels like Christmas. Like, I love this. Oh, I forgot that I even got this. And to go with my lashes and everything, it came with a removal. Actually, it did not come with it. I was a fib. I think I got these 2. So this came by itself. And then I got these 2. And then also, I remember I also got one more thing that comes in this package. But I'll show you guys when it comes in, when I open the package. But this is the removal for the clusters. Let's see how the wand looks for this one. Because they were kind of all different. Oh, yeah. This is like a little different. This is like way different. It's not as many like bristles. I don't even think there's bristles on there. When I actually remove them, we're going to go about that. We'll see it. So. Okay, so we're going to put these to the side. I can't wait to try these. Like, I feel like these are going to be it. Like, I feel like these are going to be the ones. Like, I won't be getting my lashes done. Even though I've only got my lashes done like 3 times. But still, I be wanting to look cute, you know? And then here, let's see what this is. See, I hate how they put it every single thing in its own thing. But it's kind of like Christmas. Like I said, every single one's its own package. Okay. So, like I said, I told you guys I had the LA concealer. LA Color concealer. And now, this looks a little funny. It looks... I have the Hydrating Camo Concealer by e.l.f. We're going to see. And what color did I get? Deep Cinnamon. And I'm just going to swatch this on my arm to see. Oh, yeah. I feel like that's going to be a good concealer color. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I thank the TikTok girlies because I was really nervous because I also, like I said, I ordered all this stuff online. So I was looking at girls that were like similar to my skin tone, like, and see what concealers they use. And then she got me together because look, I feel like that's going to be really good as an under eye. And I feel like it's not too light and it's not too dark. Okay, to the next. Let me put this back in the packaging. And I'm glad I got the right one because after ordering this one, I was on TikTok and the girlies were saying, I don't remember exactly which one it was called, but instead of it having like the white writing on here, like the white writing on here, it had a black writing, and they were like, no, stick with this one. So I'm glad that I got the right one the first try. We'll see how it is on my skin though. It just feels so good to do. Like, I feel like I'm finally doing what I want to do, and this is this. So I thank you guys for even supporting me, like, in the beginning. Just thank you. Let's see what I got in this huge packaging. Really, I also bought to go with the lash clusters. I got tweezers, little lash tweezers, so I can get it together. But like I said, these all came together, and then you get your lashes separate. But oh, I'm excited. I'm gonna be a lash girly, doing my lashes. Just wait. And like I already started, like I said, kind of doing like little things like my hair and stuff. So just wait till I can do everything: my hair, makeup, lashes, and one day I'm gonna get my nails too. Just wait on it. And then we got 2 more packages. Oh, no, we don't. I just opened this one. I put it on the wrong side. We have 1 more package. And I'm not even gonna lie, I can't remember what this is. I can't remember what this. Oh, yeah. And then also, let me get this out of the package. I got the Halo Glow liquid filter. And so I saw, and I got this in deep, and this is the color, this is color deep in number 7. Let's see how this is about to go. Because I do want to put a little bit on, just to see. That was probably a messy opening. That wasn't cute. But hey, we're not always cute sometimes. And let's see what this is. Oh, it came with a brush. And so let's put it underneath the concealer. Oh, yeah. I'm excited. Like, I didn't even put this on my face, but I know, like, that concealer and that... Stop playing. Stop playing with the girls. Just wait until I get this together. Wait until my video where I'm showing you guys me using these products. Excited to even try these things. I think this is gonna look really good. And like the formula, like when I swatched it on me, it felt smooth. Like, I think this is about to be a plus. So I got all the little stuff. I think I have to get a few more things. Like I want to get, I don't know, I never really do my eyebrows, but maybe I can get a little pencil from like CVS or something. But yeah, and then I also have like some translucent powder that I already have. I forgot to say I also had that, and I have never really used it. But we're gonna try it in the next video. I thank you guys for watching me unbox my little Christmas makeup gifts that I'm really excited about. And I'm excited to use them. And you guys, maybe you guys can order some products too if you're trying to start makeup or even trying to do your lashes or anything. Just order those products, and maybe you can go along with my next video and we can learn together our makeup and doing our lashes. I thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. If you guys have been subscribers, and if you guys are new and you guys want to see more videos, I just say hit that subscribe button, because I will be coming out with new content way more too. So I just thank you guys for just being here with me as my journey has kind of been unsteady and not consistent. But I do want to get consistent where I post at least 1 video a week and on a certain day. So if you guys have any videos you guys want to see me do, just put it down in the description below. And I just thank you so much for watching my video. I can't thank you guys enough. And you guys have a good one. Bye.